What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the two new Adidas fragrances, Champions, the Eau de Toilette, and Champions Intense, the Eau de Parfum. But before we get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so by hitting that big red subscribe button down below, and also if you like this video, hit the thumbs up because it does help me out. Now, I paid, let me just get the receipt here, $12.99 for the EDT and $14.99 for the Eau de Parfum. I didn't try these in store, so I completely blind bought them, never smelled them before, so let's have a look at the packaging and then get into smelling them. So here is Champions, nice blue color with basic Adidas branding. And here's Champions Intense with some stars on it. And it is a darker blue. It's like a soccer ball, but it's also stars. And here's the side by side. So let's try Champions first. The bottle looks exactly the same like all the other classic Adidas fragrances, so relatively well designed glass bottle with a plastic cap. So this is Champions EDT. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, it's actually kinda nice. And again, this was $12.99. It reminds me a little bit of Paco Rabanne's Invictus, but nowhere near as strong. It's fresh, it's clean, it's a little aromatic. And there's like a touch of amber in it as well. Maybe violet as well, maybe just like a hint, a whiff of violet. I don't know, man, but this actually isn't that bad. This is one of the better Adidas fragrances that I've smelt, and at $12.99 might be up your alley. And the Eau de Parfum. Oh, the Eau de Parfum is not clear. Look at that. Nice navy blue color. Let's spray it over a relatively fresh tattoo touch-up. So that should be fun. And I'll be able to do a side-by-side comparison as well. This definitely has violet. Like, it's got that lipsticky, almost powdery quality to it. They're pretty close though. This is a touch warmer, a touch spicier. This is the Intense. This has the amber notes ramped up a little bit. They're very similar though, like, which is understandable given they're both in the same line. But is it worth the extra $2? I would say if the performance is significantly better, then absolutely spend the extra $2. You're spending less than $30 anyway for the two of them, so perhaps you could budget buying both of them. However, just smelling them side by side, I really don't believe you need to own both of them. I really like the freshness and the vibrancy of just the EDT. But the Eau de Parfum has a warmth and the lipsticky violet note that's kind of really nice and a little sophisticated. This definitely smells like it's actually more than $14.99. It's got a quality to it that just makes it smell a lot better. And yeah, Champions Intense has a quality to it that I can't quite put my finger on. It definitely smells classier, more sophisticated, and maybe a rounder overall fragrance. So Champions and Champions Intense by Adidas, they're both solid fragrances, solid scents for the price, and I do think the Intense version for $14.99 is relatively special at that price bracket. You know, there aren't a lot of fragrances for $15 Australian that smell quite like this. And even if you really can't stretch your budget for the extra $2, Champions isn't bad either. It's nice, it's fresh, it's clean. Either of these are going to get you compliments on an absolute budget, and fragrances like this do matter and they are important in the market. Anyways, if you've tried either of these fragrances yet, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.